The production and processing line equipment of the fully automatic walnut shelling and shelling machine adopts the principle of automatic shelling. It can achieve high efficiency of walnut shelling and kernel extraction, low production cost, and a low breakage rate that is comparable to manual shelling. It can achieve walnut shelling, sorting, screening to extract the kernels, secondary shelling, winnowing, intelligent sorting, screening, shell kernel separation, and grading are automated processes starting from the incoming materials. No manual labor is required. A fully automatic walnut shell is broken, shelled, and kernels extracted. The machine production and processing line can replace hundreds of people, realize automated production, reduce production costs, and increase economic returns for enterprises. Walnut shelling is divided into two methods, manual shelling and machine shelling. Manual shelling is time-consuming, laborious, and inefficient. Generally, one person can only peel dozens of kilograms of walnut kernels a day, which restricts the market demand for walnut kernels.